Hi guys, welcome back to another session here, and today we are going to look into a solution that we are providing for AWS Hackathon conducted by TechGig. Just thanking TechGig here for providing us with this opportunity. So today the problem statement is to provide a conversational client, basically a chatbot, which is intelligent and interactive as a microservice and which uses AWS Lex and Lambda. So the themes that they have provided is financial service, digital marketing, healthcare, and life sciences and education. So we are going with education, and we have named our bot on that, which is Edubot. Okay, so let's quickly get into the demonstration here. So this chatbot here, we are just hello there. So there you can see the greetings and asking us how can it help. So Edubot, so we're going to say that I want to learn something, basically math, very weak at that, so math. Okay, so now you can see that there are a lot of things in math, right? So basically these are split into these 5 greater categories. So let me go ahead and pick one. Algebra, for example. So algebra has a lot of things to learn. So we are going to, it's just asking us for what grade I am to provide like a better result. So let me just say 8. Okay, there you go. So now you can see the result. Here. So basically this result can be anything. For example, now you can see that it's a YouTube link, which can be a blog or a website or anything of that case. So let me click on this one here. So here, as it's a link, so it takes us to the YouTube video. So let me just tell you, like this particular result is based on the inputs, like the 3 inputs that we provided. One is the subject, and then the category, and then we have the grade that we provided. So let's get let's say goodbye to the chatbot and get more into the service that we have built. So thank you, bye bye, goodbye. Okay, so let's see like what exactly have we built here. So it's a service built on AWS Lex using the Spring Boot, and it's being deployed in the Cloud Foundry. So here what I'm trying to show is this is a REST API client where we are trying to show that this service that we have built is more generic. So I'm just putting in learn math as a parameter. So we have already provided the URL for the AWS Lex service that we built. So these are JSON results that you can see as it's provided on the chatbot. It's just providing on this REST API. So this REST API can be integrated with any messenger service, literally anything, any conversational client, or if you have your own personal UI, so you can integrate this API with that. Okay, so let's get into the AWS console and see how we have the Lex configured here. Okay. So basically the Lex that we look at, these are intents that are there. Intents are nothing but the greetings and goodbye stuff, that jazz, you know. So these intents are built so that we could actually get the input, you know, putting up the question and getting the input from the user. So here we have the Lambda function, the AWS Lambda function for the fulfillment. So basically this Lambda function is built in Java, and it provides a jar that is uploaded into AWS. Of course AWS, right? It's AWS service. And here the Lambda, what it does is that it fetches the results from Apigee. Once the fulfillment is met, that means the parameter, right? So here we have a lot of things that we're looking at. One is communication as a service, the microservice that is built, and then Apigee, which acts as backend as a service. You know, whatever we build these days had to be a lot of being an ass kind of stuff. ASS, like as a service. So we have used a lot of that jazz here. Okay, so basically this chatbot is built over these things, as you can see, to provide an end-to-end automation. That is more important, right? So we don't have anyone responding to these stuff. So it can be like using the artificial intelligence and machine learning. There's a lot of training that is to be given to this particular bot to provide with the appropriate results, you know. But that's what the intent of this whole project is, to provide an end-to-end automated solution for education and more of a reusable service. As you can see, that particular service that we built, it's reusable into anything. So that's one thing. And then like making it more platform independent. No, we don't want anything to be dependent on one particular platform. Any new technology that comes in, we can integrate the same thing, and there's not going to be any difference in the performance of that particular service. And that's about it, guys. Thank you for your time, and meet you on another video.